So guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to do, you guessed it, no you didn't guess it, did you? Would you rather? We're going to be asking us different questions and we're going to be filming each other do it. So yeah, let's go. Right, who's going first? You do want to ask me, truthfully?
Me.
Okay. You're not doing your impression.
Would you rather be a cocktail or be a willy?
What? Stop doing your accent. I can't even hear what you're saying.
Would you rather be a cocktail or be a Winnie Pooh?
Yeah, Winnie the Pooh, because then I wouldn't. If I was a cocktail, I'd probably get eaten. So, truth or dare? No. Oh, we're playing. Would you rather? Oh, why do I even think we're playing truth or dare? Right. I was just about to say truth or dare again. Right. Would you rather get thrown into a lava pit or get drowned by a tsunami?
Get drowned.
Okay. Also, at the end of the video, we will do one for you, and then you can leave down in the comments what you would rather do. We're going to type something down in the comments afterwards. Okay? Right, anyway, you ask me now.
Would you rather bang your head on a 6-pound helicopter or get thrown down a cliff, a 5-foot cliff?
A 5-foot cliff. Because a 5-foot cliff isn't that high. A 5-foot cliff is only from here. It's from your downstairs up to the floor, up to this floor. That's it. That's 5 foot. It's not high. It's short as hell, I'm sure. You think what 1 foot is? 1 foot is a half of this room. Anyway. Would you rather get thrown out a window by David Beckham or get stabbed in the head by Justin Timberlake?
Number 1.
Rather get thrown out of a window by David Beckham.
Yeah.
And probably survive.
Yes.
Or break a leg.
No.
Okay then. Go on then, you ask me.
Would you rather...
And please, can you stop doing that Miranda Sings accent now? That video's finished.
Would you rather tip a full box of Lumens over your head or tip a full box of Orbeez over your head?
Orbeez, because... Orbeez, sorry, because the Orbeez wouldn't get stuck in your hair, but they would because the loom bands would get stuck in little bits of your hair, and they would like tie them up and things like that. They would get caught up in your hair. The balls wouldn't though. If you get what I mean, because you know when girls have them little bulbs and they put them in their hair like a ponytail thing, yeah, they would like get in your hair and all that like they do. So yeah, we'll do 3 more each. Would you rather be a mouse or be an elephant?
Be an elephant.
That's good, because you don't not want to be like Exploding TNT. He is a big mouse. Big mouse. Okay. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to do a couple of shout-outs, okay? Right, so your turn.
Would you rather make...
You're going to get in the video.
Would you rather make a cake or make a some jelly.
Make a cake.
Jelly's better.
No, cake isn't. Leave down in the comment section below if you would rather have cake or eat jelly. Leave in the comment section below. Would you rather get pregnant or sing?
Sing.
It's because that song came on from downstairs.
Sing.
That was weird. It's just because I heard no one downstairs. I was like, in my head, I was like, answer the, no. And then you were like, and I was like, sing. Anyway, would you rather now? We'll do one more each.
Would you rather be deaf or be blind?
Be blind, because I know it's good if you were I know it's good that if you were I've got a good point here. I would rather be blind, because if you were deaf and you were trying to cross the road, you could hear for the cars, and if there weren't any cars going, then you could just walk straight across. We're trying to do a video up here. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Anyway, after that incident from my sister, would you rather?
Huh?
Would you rather kill yourself or
Be alive.
walk around naked in the street
Walk around naked in the street.
and get caught by the police and go into prison?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe not. I guess that's better than dying. Even though you would die in prison, so we don't care. Right, you do one more to me and I'll do one more to you.
Would you rather be a lion or be guilty?
Be a lion or be guilty? Be a lion, to be honest. But I would be guilty as well, because if you were a lion, then you would get eaten by other prey and attacked by other prey. But if you were guilty, you would just get sent to prison. So I'd be guilty.
Good choice, man.
Right, last one. Would you rather get a pedicure or have these little fish and take all the dead skin off your toes? Pedicure. Yeah, because these little fish that bite off all the dead skin in your toes, they make you really ill. They have infections. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And also, leave down in the comment section below. What?
Would you rather for them guys?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do in a minute. So leave in the comment section below what you think you should do. Would you rather eat cake or eat jelly? Leave down in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a like, smash that like button in the face, because we don't like it, do we? Please do that though. And subscribe, because I've only got 3 subscribers at the moment. I had to restart my channel all over again. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and as I said, leave in the comment section below and subscribe and leave a like, and see ya. Bye. Bye. Oh, I was trying to be stampy there, it didn't work. Bye. Oh fine, I'll just be down to the end. Bye guys. Da, 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 da.